Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of November 12th in my Erin Condren vertical neutral. I am going to be using, let me just move all of this lovely Simply Gilded washi out of the way because it is rolling. I am going to be using this Bookworm kit from Sticky Essentials. It's like super cute, very like cold weather fall. It came with Fashion Girls. This is a full kit in her like old paper, old format, but still really nice paper. Her new paper is also is super buttery, but this paper is also really buttery. Anyway, so it does have like all the checklists and stuff, which maybe I'll use one on the sidebar. Her full kits also come with glitter headers, which is really nice. Date covers, which I won't be using, some deco, etc. And look how cute that bottom washi is. I have my pre-planning insert all pulled out, so I am going to jump in. Started with the foundation of this spread, just cutting down the bottom washi so I can mix in a little Simply Gilded, etc. You may notice that this is a fall kit and not a Harry Potter kit, and while I absolutely love this kit and I think it's so beautiful, I am super disappointed that this isn't a Harry Potter kit. We were supposed to go see Fantastic Beasts on Friday night, and we got a babysitter and everything, which we like almost never do. We usually just like wait until grandparents are here to watch the kids, etc. But so we decided to get a babysitter, and we were gonna go out and go to the movies, and we got tickets at like iPic, which if you don't have an iPic near you, it's like the most luxurious movie experience ever. The tickets are so expensive, and you sit in like these crazy reclining seats, and you get like blankets and popcorns included, and they serve food and drinks and everything, and it's amazing. And we used to live across the street from it, and now it's like 20 minutes away. But yeah. So anyway, we were all set to go, and I was like my daughter was being like, well, I thought she was just having a little toddler attitude, but turns out she was really not feeling well. Anyway, I was like trying to wrangle her into her booster seat for dinner, and then she just kind of like upchucked everywhere. Sorry if that's TMI. But anyway, so needless to say, we had to cancel the babysitter, unfortunately. She's totally fine now. And honestly, she was like, we probably still could have gone out because she actually ended up falling asleep at like 6:15 and then just slept through till the morning. Like, I'm not even joking. She just, I don't know what was wrong. And then she was totally fine the next day, maybe a little cranky or whatever, but not even too bad or whatever. But obviously we had to, obviously and unfortunately we did have to cancel. So I've been consoling myself by, reading all the stuff that said that the movie was like kind of weird and not that good and stuff, but I still really want to see it. So I don't have any spoilers to give. I've done some like reading, and I'm still thinking maybe we might be able to see it while it's in the theaters if we can make it work. It's tough now because it's like it's the Thanksgiving break right now, so our like usual nanny helper who was going to babysit, she's like a college student, so she's away for break right now. But anyway, maybe when she comes back, if it's like still playing at good times and stuff, we might try again, and maybe I'll get to use that Harry Potter kit that I've been saving. But in the meantime, this kit was really gorgeous, and I'm just pulling in now some date covers from ColourPop paper using that gorgeous orange color, and some date dots from Artbox stickers. I used the glitter headers, and I'm going to go back with some overlays on those in a bit. The colors of this kit are so like rich and gorgeous. And I honestly think this kit would have gone fine with either gold or rose gold, but I had like a bunch of fall goodies left in rose gold, like foil overlays with leaves and like pumpkin header overlays, so I wanted to use those. Plus, like, how often do you get to use this yellow washi? And the autumn sunset washi, which is one of my faves. I think it's so gorgeous. So anyway, I just decided to go with rose gold, which is my favorite anyways. But yeah, so anyway, this week was a little bit rough, I'm not gonna lie. Was like my husband ended up having to work late like multiple nights, and I was like home doing bedtime with the kids, which it's like, I mean, it's fine, obviously I can do it, but like it's not my favorite thing to have to do, and especially like one of them gets super tired, and then you have to do story before I nurse my son, and it's just like, oh, story for my daughter before I nurse my son, and it's like a whole thing. Anyway, it's much easier when there's two parents here for bedtime. But anyway, I did have a little bit of trouble with like just not wanting that to overlap the bottom washi, but honestly, it was like so little. I didn't even end up moving all the headers, just like kind of rejiggering the ones on the full boxes. And I did want to use both of the girls. I love the fashion girls from this kit, or that came with this kit, and I love the double box scene as well. So I did end up using both of the girls. I'm going to put the last one on Sunday, and then I'm actually gonna use a second full box on the sidebar, because you guys know I don't really like, since this is like a memory planning thing, I don't need like the whole sidebar anyways, so I just went ahead and used that, but I'm gonna do the sidebar first to get everything all lined up, and that box is the box that I'm gonna use over there. I just really loved all of the full boxes of this, except for the cat, because I am super not a cat person. Sorry if that offends anyone, but I actually have really terrible cat allergies, and I didn't used to have really bad allergies, so they've like gotten progressively worse, but also like after having my son especially, it's strange, like I feel like getting pregnant like really does like things before to you. Like before I was pregnant, I was like almost completely lactose intolerant, like I couldn't eat like any dairy, and then during my first pregnancy, my doctor was like, you got to drink some whole milk, you need to like eat more calories or something. Anyway, I was very sick with both my pregnancies actually. But anyway, so I developed the ability to like drink large quantities of milk, and that actually never went away. So super weird. But now, so I can drink more milk, but I'm way more allergic to cats. Anyway, I am going through with these pumpkin overlays, which are from Sadie Stickers. That one I kind of messed up at the bottom, and then there was only one left anyway, so I just decided to go ahead and replace that whole header so it didn't look so janky, especially because there's only one foil overlay left, and what am I going to do with one pumpkin foil overlay? Anyway, now I am going in with some regular sparkle overlays from Artbox Stickers. You love these, have a million of them. I got like all of the Misfit grab bags, and these ones are Misfits just because like the foil color was like slightly off, but it's still rose gold and it still looks really nice. Anyway, and then I am going to use these leaf overlays from Rose Colored Days fall release. I thought that leaves falling one on top of the girl reading looked so adorable. I didn't really do that much reading this week. I actually haven't read like a book in kind of a while. I've been like really obsessed with podcasts lately and like listening to stuff. And yeah, so that's kind of like reading almost, not really. And then I had these leaves from Nicole Alexia Design, so I decided to put some of those on the bottom washi as well. And I just think that looks really cute. And I'm really happy how this turned out. Okay, so jumping into the day by day on Monday, this was like a planned to be home with the kids all by myself at all day and night. Well, I mean, not like, anyway, I'm not trying to say that like it's a huge deal or anything like that. I can take care of my kids, so can my husband. But my husband had a work thing like after work, like a team dinner or something like that. So I was with them all afternoon and evening. And we had a like kind of rough afternoon, and we decided to FaceTime my sister-in-law and her new baby, who my daughter is like absolutely obsessed with, even though she hasn't met him yet. So she will over Christmas. But anyway, she's like super obsessed with her new cousin. And then I did some editing, and I just had like kind of like, after the kids went to sleep, that is, like, bedtime is 7 p.m. and then it's mom time. So I had a very relaxing and chill evening. I didn't really do like anything specific, just like watch random stuff on YouTube, etc. So I just grabbed a half box for that, just because I literally had like nothing to mark for the day. I just pretty much just like powered through that Monday, and then I grabbed that new Fox and Pip girl. It was so cute with like her little snuggly, relaxy time girl. And then on Tuesday, my daughter had school, and I wanted to use up some more of this really cool bottom washi since I really liked it. And it's like a simpler background, and I find that like for using like the foil words that are clear, it looks better on like a more simple pattern washi, or plain washi. It works as well. But anyway, so I grabbed this to mark school, and I did drop off this day, so I'm going to grab a Once More with Love Munchkin. that I like her. I like these because they're like specifically drop-off munchkins. And a school script from Station Stickers, and that sheet is actually a custom. And then I actually did like a bunch of crafting this day. I was working on my some Christmas presents for some of my planner friends, or holiday presents. I feel kind of guilty saying Christmas presents since I celebrate Hanukkah, but let's like be real, these are Christmas presents. I like Christmas too. Anyway, I did a bunch of crafting, and that sticker is from Paper and Milk. And then I just I wrote down like that I binge watched, but I didn't write down what I binge watched. So I don't know what I was watching, unfortunately, which is really unlikely. But anyway, I just binge watched stuff, and I also painted my nails, and I am going to fuss with these stickers because at first I thought I would put the nail polish icon on top of the flags and then put the foil, but I hadn't put down any washi, and I didn't really like the way that looked on like the white, although looking at it now it looks fine. But anyway, I ended up switching it. Actually, I think it looks better I wish I hadn't switched it. Looking at the film, it looks better how I had it first time. Anyway, I ended up switching it and putting the paint nails on the flag and the nail polish sticker on the white part. And the nail polish sticker is from Scribble Prints Co., and that script is from Artbox Stickers in her amazing, amazing hand lettering. And then I just thought that looked like not like a little plain, so I grabbed a bow that was from that same nail polish sheet. And then on to Wednesday, I did some filming. So I grabbed a quarter box for that, and I decided to use the film icons and scripts from Rose Colored Days this week. It's like been a minute since I've used the icons, but was just kind of feeling it. And then after that afternoon, I took the kids for like quite a long walk. I think maybe my daughter fell asleep in the stroller, and that's why it was such a long walk. I don't remember. She's too old to sleep in the stroller, but it still occasionally happens. Like if she refuses to take her nap, then she'll fall asleep while we're walking. So anyway, I did that, and then this was the night that my husband wasn't supposed to like have to work late or do anything, but he ended up getting like stuck at work like super, super late. So anyway, I just wanted to mark that in, and I used that munchkin that's like leftovers from a Scribble Prints Co. kit, and marked that in on a flag. And then that night I took a bath, and I just grabbed a Fox and Pip bath girl for that. On Thursday, my daughter had school again, so I used some of this wood washi. Like I said, I think it looks better on the blue, but this is cute too. I really like all of the washes in this kit, and I wanted to use some of them, but yeah, like it's not, I just need to be more selective with what I layer on foil words. I think it just I'm looking at my planner right now, and it's really hard to read, especially because like the brown tone with the rose gold is just probably if it were like gold or silver, it wouldn't be as hard to read. Anyway, and I grabbed a Fox and Pip backpack for that, and then I had a mega Thanksgiving planning session. My video for that is already up, where I did like a plan with me in the Jasenia's Printables like planner insert, Thanksgiving planner insert, and we hosted dinner. It's after Thanksgiving now, and it was a success. I love Thanksgiving, such good food, and it's not like difficult to make. Anyway, so I did like a mega planning session, like made our shopping list and all that stuff that day. So I just grabbed that all the planners sticker, and the planning sesh is from Nicole Alexia Designs. And then that evening I just chilled and edit, which is like pretty much my go-to evening activity. Just like hang out on the couch, drink some tea or hot cider, watch TV and edit stuff. That's why so many of my videos are voiceovers now, because that's like a really easy way to do that. I feel like when you're editing stuff that's not a voiceover, it's a little bit more active. But anyway, then on Friday, I went to Starbucks and I actually got a caramel brulee latte, which is actually unpopular opinions. I think it's better than a pumpkin spice latte. I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, I'm using those pumpkin spice latte stickers until they're all used up. And then I took the kids to TouchBot, which was really, really fun. My daughter's like little bestie from school is always there, and they're like so cute together. It's so funny. And then like we were trying to leave, and she was like, come run with me. And then they had to run around together. It was so cute. Anyway, and then that afternoon we went to a little short walk, and because my husband was working from home, and my daughter was like really trying to like be at his side, but he had to make like a quick call, and my son was taking a nap, so I just took my daughter for like a quick walk. And then that was the night, like I said, that we were supposed to go to Harry Potter and could not because of toddler tragedy. Anyway, so I grabbed that Mom Life emoji munchkin from Once More with Love, the one with the kid throwing up on the mom, which is like basically what happened, except for it wasn't on me, it was on my husband. And then I grabbed a Maru marshmallow from Paper and Milk, and then I just put a nope over it because it like signifies what we were supposed to do and what actually happened. Anyway, on Saturday we went to Starbucks again, and I got another seasonal latte. I don't remember exactly what I got, but like I said, using all of the pumpkin spice stickers. And then we went to Whole Foods and bought our turkey for Thanksgiving. So I grabbed a new Fox and Pip Girl from the holiday sampler sheet. I don't think the haul with those have gone up yet, but I will. It will not be as long as it was in between my last two hauls because that ended up being way so much stuff. Anyway, and then I did a bunch of crafting that afternoon. I've been like really just getting way too crafty lately. But anyway, that is what happened. And then my daughter was like still not feeling 100%. So we let her watch a movie. And that is, a good sick day activity. And we watched The Boss Baby, which I hadn't seen. And like, it was actually kind of funny, and I really like, it was not a movie that I like wanted to have seen, but it was funnier than I thought it would be, and my daughter like really, really loved it, and she's like pretty much obsessed with it now. And then that night we got takeout from like this wings place, and I ate so much, so I just used that I ate too much emoji. That was basically my life. I was like really struggling after that. So anyway, on Sunday we went and got regular groceries because we wanted to get our turkey at Whole Foods, but we needed some like non-Whole Foods type stuff, so we went to H-E-B as well to get groceries. And then I had to make some cornbread for the Thanksgiving celebration at my daughter's school, which was going to be on Monday, so like the week after this. And then I had my regular weekly planning sesh, so I grabbed another one of those planning sesh stickers, and that foiled TN is from Artbox Stickers. And then we just kind of took it easy and didn't do too much, so I just grabbed a half box and one of these Family Time stickers from this like Scribble Prints Go freebie, PR freebie, and then I just had it out, so I used a couple other ones because it's like yellow font. How often am I going to get to use that? And then yeah, I'm going to finish up with some of this gorgeous deco, which is like quite large, but I was able to squeeze some of it into like some of these bigger blank spots. This is like a pretty like chill week, and I grabbed a little bit of Simply Gilded navy baby bows to kind of break up some of the yellow and orange colors as well. And that is everything. Okay, that is everything all filled out. I think this looks so gorgeous. Give it a little Viv wiggle. Love the rose gold and just like the warm fall colors. I am so glad that I got to use this kit this week, even if I wish I was able to have seen Fantastic Beasts and used my Harry Potter kit as planned. Oh well, at least I got to go to one last week of fall goodness, and then I'm gonna go to Thanksgiving, and then I am going right into winter kits from there. So this was the perfect last fall kit to use. Just give it one last wiggle, and used up plenty of fall goodies as well. I did all of my writing in a Pigma Micron 03. Let me show you what I have left from the kit. These kits are quite large, so, and especially for her price point, like you get a lot of stickers. And her new paper, I like her old paper, but her new paper is like so buttery. So can't wait to start using that. I have a good deal left from this, so I will I'm still debating what to do with my leftovers, but potentially a leftover giveaway coming soon. That is what I have left. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!